All right. Good morning. Welcome to the July 18th, 2024 live stream. Coming into today, I am anticipating for us to take out daily lows here and to continue lower, or today could either be a continuation or a consolidation to create this daily fair value gap that I am anticipating for prices to create here. So this daily fair value gap could be created during today and we can retrace into it tomorrow, or we can expand lower, which that's what I am anticipating is an expansion lower today. Well, it will tell us if we are going to expand lower or consolidate, because we are trading within this 10-hour FEG here, this 8-hour FEG, and this 6-hour FEG. And coming in, I don't trade the first 30 minutes of the market open, so we'll see if we create this 1-hour FEG or not. But if we do respect this 1-hour FEG, we're probably going to reprice higher and probably see a deeper retracement. But like I said, on the higher time frames, I still am anticipating for us to take out previous day low and a retracement back inside this weekly FEG here. But yeah, that's all I have as of right now. That's pretty much all I'm thinking about right now, is that we are going to treat this, these fair value gaps as a resistance zone, but power of 3 will tell me if we are going to continue lower or not. So we still have about like 36 minutes left till the 8-hour closure and 4-hour candle closure as well. So this will tell us if we are going to get a deeper retracement or a continuation lower. So here, based on this 4-hour candle right here, this one, what can we anticipate for us to do? Just purely thinking about why this 4 hours was created, we came into a 4-hour FEG and we had this, this bearish closure. We can anticipate for this low to be taken. We take out the low. After we take out that 4-hour low, what do? We price back inside this range. We didn't continue lower, but we actually priced higher. So now I'm just gonna watch prices to see what we do from here. Like I said, I am if we are to be bearish here, I want to see us, let's say we do create this fair value gap, 1-hour fair value gap, and if we do create the 1-hour fair value gap, I want to see us close below it and treat it as an inversion level to continue lower. But we still have, like I said, 35 minutes left for the hourly closure, and so we'll see what happens from here. Let's see if we do have S&Ts here between ES right now. So we actually do notice where NQ and ES are in this respective high. So NQ is really close to this high. However, look where ES is. So just pay attention to that. Here's YM. And here's ES. Okay, so there is, like I said, there is SMT here between the NQ and ES. Or let's see if there will be SMT here. I want to mark up pre-market lows here. Pre-market low. So I know that we are trading inside a 6-hour FEG right now, a 6-hour, 8-hour, and 10-hour FEG. So, like I said, I want to see us respect this fair value gap to see us continue lower to attack previous day low and July 2nd's low and July 1st's low. I'll be on the 15-minute time frame, but just know that we are trading within a 6-hour, 8-hour, and 10-hour CB. And like I said before, if we are to see lower prices, if we do create a hourly FEG, I want to see us close below this. I want to see prices close below this hourly FEG and treat it as an inversion level, because that will indicate to me that we are bearish. This guy Neo don't sleep, bro. This guy Neo does not sleep. So we have the open in about 10 seconds here, and let's see what we would do. I'm sorry if I sound a little bit tired today. I didn't get much sleep. I was excuse me. Excuse me. I was awake since 4 o'clock. So, you know, pretty tired. Pretty tired. So there we created a 30-minute FEG here. Let's see how we treat this 30-minute FEG. Do we respect it? So we could see something like this. We respect it, take out London highs, and then displace lower, close below the 1-hour FEG, treat that hourly FEG as an inversion and continue lower. We could see something like that, but excuse me. Like I said, I wait for candle closures, so just continue to watch prices and see what we can do from here. And I do want to be going over my risk management and improvements for this week. I actually do that right now, so I don't have to do it later. Excuse me. Oh shoot! What's up, Dagon? Thank you for your blessing, man. But yeah, if you just heard my analysis just now, are you? I think you're in the group chat here. Yeah. Yeah, I saw your messages yesterday, man. If you have any questions over what I'm doing right now, basically all I'm doing is tape reading right now. I don't trade the first 30 minutes. Markets just opened like 2 minutes ago, so I don't do much that first 30 minutes. It's more just spectating and more on the sidelines. So there's no SMT here, but did prices take out this high? No, we didn't. We have the same equal high, so let's just wait and see. Continue to watch. Shall we look at what the dollar's doing? So the dollar's actually trading higher, and we are trading back inside a 6-hour FEG here. And like I said, just based on this daily FEG or daily power of 3, I can anticipate for us to take out this daily low. But I'm not going to be taking any time frame. Like, I'm not going to be taking this entry right here because it's the 6-hour. It's a 6-hour model. I'm not taking that. I'm going to be basing my trades off the lower time frames because prices are fractal. So let's go back to MQ and just, like I said, just watch prices. I am. Thanks for hospitality. No problem, my friend. No problem. So we actually don't create that hourly FEG, which is good. I like seeing that. Oh my goodness, what the heck is wrong with me? Jeez. Alright, let's go over my risk management here again, because I told myself I'll be doing that every session this week just so I can get it inside my brain. I even have sticky notes here in front of me to show me my risk management plan. And dang, I don't know if you were here, but like I said, I am pretty tired coming to the session. I didn't have much sleep, so yeah, don't expect too much energy from me. Alright, so things I can improve this week. I want to follow, or I will follow my risk management plan. I'll be going over them at the beginning of each live stream, so that's what I'm doing right now. That's my number 1 rule for this week. Number 2 is I want to follow my trade plan thoroughly. I have my trade plan and trade strategy literally all on YouTube if you guys want to check that out. And yeah, I want to be following my trade plan to the T this week. No, I can't be loose with my rules. This is what I've created for myself, and I should follow it. And I need to stay more composed during my trades. So whenever I do actually take a trade, like on live stream or whatever, I want to stay more, composed and not hesitant, not scared, not fearful of any bad outcomes. I should practice breathing exercises, so take deep breaths during the trades. I want to have clear thought process, so I can actually see what the market's giving me, and I have to be content with the outcome, whether that is a winning or losing trade. I have to be content with it. And now let's go look at the risk management part of the review here. So my risk management, this is something I created for myself. I don't it might not work for you guys, but this is exactly what I would plan out my trades numbers wise. So today, oh, actually, let me start off with looking at the Forex Factory, the economic calendar. So coming into Thursday, we had unemployment claims get released at 8:30 a.m. today. Do we have much of a reaction to it? Not really. Didn't have much of a reaction to it, and that was our only red voter news coming into today. So not much to expect. Yeah, not much to expect there. Or not much to expect for the rest of the day. No red voter news. So I'll be trading aggressively today. Aggressively means like I'm just basically just trading with normal size. I'm not trading with any, super, I'm not trading with like 5 minis. I'm trading with like on average like 10 to 15 micros. So trading micros aggressively, and this is for my eval stage. So the first trade is I want to be risking $480, right, for my maximum stop loss if the risk to reward is a 1-to-1, and if the risk to reward is a 1 to 1.5 or higher, I'll be risking 720 as my maximum stop loss. And my second trade, so if I win my first trade, let's say I make 500 my first trade, right? I'll be risking only $250 on my second trade. And if I lose my first trade, if it's a 1-to-1 RR and I lose my first trade, then I'll risk only 240. And if it's a 1 to 1.5 RR or higher, then I'll be risking 320 if I lost my first trade. Alright, so third trade, like I said, if I win my second trade, I'll be risking half of the profits for my second trade. So if I make 300 for my second trade, I'll be only risking 150. This way I can preserve capital and have a longer run at this endeavor. Capital preservation is the #1 goal for all traders, and which is why you have to follow a strict money management plan. I don't want to take any models that is below a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so I can't take any like 1 to 9.7 or 1 to 0.5. It's just no point in risking $1 to make 50 cents. And risk to reward should be set to where I take my first partial. What I mean by that is, let's say I trade, if I were to take a trade right now based on this 15-minute fair value gap, and let's say my full terminus is pre-market lows, I'm not setting my risk to reward to pre-market lows. I'll be setting it to this 15-minute low, because my 15-minute low is my first partial, right? So I'll take off, part of my trades there. Another thing that I do want to add is, whenever I take my first partial, I do move my stop loss. I do move my stop loss to break even, and whenever I take a partial, I'll be taking off 10%, or not 10%, sorry, 50% of the original position size. So let's say I take 20 contracts that trade, right? If I take off a partial, I'll be taking off 10 contracts, and if I take off another partial, I'll take off 5. So relatively, it's gonna get smaller and smaller. But yeah, that is my position sizing for aggressively. Not I say aggressive, but this is like the normal. And de-risking whenever we are in poor market conditions. I'll make a video about when markets will likely be in poor market conditions. And whenever we are in poor market conditions, I'll be de-risk. So I'll be trading micros passively. And numbers wise, you can take a look at it here. I'm not going to worry too much about the numbers here because I'm not trading passively today. But the same rules still apply. The only thing that's different is that whenever I take a partial here, whenever I'm trading passively, I'll be taking off 2/3 of the position instead of 1/2, just because I want to secure more profits, because like I said, conditions are lower probability, and after I take my partial, I'm moving my stops to break even. So an example of what I mean by that is, let's say I had an original position size of 20. I'm taking 2/3 of it, so I take off 13. If I was trading aggressively here, I would have only taken off 10, but notice how I'm taking off 13, and I moved my stop loss to break even, and my next TP I'll be taking off 5. When you talk about psychology, what I remember is trading in the zone. Yeah, I actually did read Trading in the Zone. It's funny that you mentioned that, because I actually do have I do have a YouTube video coming out soon, probably next month, because I have a plan for myself where I'm gonna only be releasing 2 concepts two concept videos every month, just so I can have more content spaced out. But if you guys do want the video, I'll make it probably tomorrow or Saturday. But I do have a trading psychology video that I do want to talk about, and this is probably going to be a longer video just because it's the other half of trading, which is kind of cool that you mentioned it. But yeah, that is going to be all for my risk management for today. So like I said, my first trade today, if I do take a trade on stream, it'll be $480 maximum stop loss. If it's a 1-to-1 RR, 720 maximum stop loss. If it's a 1-to-1.5 risk to reward. So let's go. Okay, so we actually got pretty big displacement here. I'm not gonna be, like I said, I'm not trading this first 30 minutes of the open. I just like to see what we do from here. So like I said, we are trading inside a 4-hour, a 6-hour, a 8-hour, and a 10-hour FEG. So whenever I see that, I am, I'm bearish, like I said, because on the daily time frame, what can we anticipate this next daily candle to look like? This is a daily candle, by the way. So this next daily candle, I want it to be an open, high, low, and enclose. I don't really care where the lower close is. I care about the expansion of the candle. So let's say this is the manipulation leg here, right? That means we can anticipate, the next phase after this manipulation phase to be a distribution phase. And how far can we low? How far can we low? How far can we go? On the higher time frame, previous day low is, the clear draw. That would be the low hanging fruit. July 2nd could be a draw as well, and July 1st. So that is time based. So this is important, time based liquidity. So yeah. Here's the new 15-minute candle here. Let's see what we do create. So like I said, I do want to see us take out pre-market lows. Previous day low is the higher time frame draw, and July 2nd and July 1st low is also the higher time frame draw. But is there an entry for me to take that? Like I said, whenever us as traders, we trade, our objective is to define risk. Is this something that you want to risk? If you're just taking this right now, if you take this entry at the 15-minute FEG, right? Let's just say you took something like that, and you're targeting previous day low. Do you want to risk 80 points on NQ? 80 points is a lot of points, and that's not something that I'm willing to risk, which is why I'm not gonna take this trade, even though I know what the draw is. That's why we go on to the lower time frames to find more confirmation as to why we should be going lower. But yeah, like I said, time frame is fractal. So this move right here, this retrace inside this 4-hour FEG to continue lower, is fractal. We literally have that right here. let's say we create this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Let's say we create an imbalance like that. The same thing, we retrace inside a fair value gap to continue lower. But the risk is different because on the lower time frames, there's not much time for, there's not enough time, or there's not the same amount of time. So like the 4-hour candle, we have, it takes, you know, there's 4 hours given to create that 4-hour candle. But let's say 1 minute, right? You're only giving 1 minute to create a candle, and 1 minute is less than 4 hours, because that means the candle's range would be a little bit different too. And like I said, 80 points on NQ is not something I want to risk. I'm not willing to risk that much points. I'm not willing to risk 80 points. And I want to trade on the lower time frames, because the lower time frames, they have, it's more precise entries, and it allows you to mitigate risk essentially. And we, like I said, we still have 12 minutes left to the 10 o'clock open here. So I'll be playing a chess game. So there's no news at 10, so I'm good. I'll play a chess game for the time being, and yeah. I will wait. Dagam, I'm hoping that you're talking about I will wait for the psychology video. But yeah, the psychology video is probably gonna be a longer video, just cause it's like literally the other 50% of trading. So let's match. I want to go here and then here, but now yes. I'm gonna force this net to come out now. Oh shoot, I just lost some time. So I'm gonna go here and then move up. I mean pawn up. I'm gonna attack here, and then now this bishop's hanging. Oh, he just moved that. So now I'm gonna move my bishop. Actually, I can attack this pawn now, which I'm gonna do. I'll attack that pawn. So now I'm up 2 pawns. I can move this. I can move this here to attack this bishop, so let's do that actually. Here, he's gonna move his bishop somewhere else. I'll be back here. What's up, brother? It looks like he's gonna attack this square here, so let's get this So if I go here, he takes, I take, he takes. Okay. Huh?
I just realized you actually are playing on my account.
Yeah, it says Peter's Lovely World right there.
No.
Now I take his queen, and he's forced to go take it with his king. Now he can't castle anymore, and now I can go kick out his horsey. If I develop here, which I'm probably going to do like that. Bruh.
That's how I know. I'm gonna watch him play. I'm gonna spy on you.
Okay. I'm gonna go here. He's gonna take with that, and then I'm gonna kick it out. Yeah, I think that's probably the move. Okay. So he's attacking this pawn now. I'll move here.
Time.
Huh?
Should you check?
I can't. I don't want to. I know. I see it.
Use that and then use the rook.
So this square is not a square that I'm willing to give him. So what can I do to prevent him from going to this square? Why don't we play chess? Yeah, let's play chess after this. After this match, I still want to check out what Price is gonna do though. So, I probably after this game, I'll probably go check out what Prices does, and yeah, I'm gonna have MNQ ready because I feel like I will probably take a trade here, based on how this 15-minute closure is. Dang, this is kind of difficult because if I go castle like this, my rook would be here. He takes this pawn, and then I have to force. I think I just have to protect. I think I just have to move my king actually. Yeah, I think that's probably the best move, is to move my king. Okay. I should have moved it here, but oh, wait, hold on. Attack that knight again. If he takes, I take with this. And then that'll be even better position for me, to be honest. Okay. He takes, I take here. He takes like that. And then I just move here, or I move here. That's okay, that's cool. Actually, I should have moved here because now I do want to get my rook. Let's attack that. Attack that rook. Attack that rook. If he takes my rook, I attack here, and he takes. Okay, so he takes, I take. I need to move here. Or do I give him a check? Can I give him a check? He just moves his. Yeah, let's give him a check. I'm gonna move my. I'm gonna move my king here. So prices didn't even actually take out this pre-market low here, which I like. I like how we left it, but look at what YM is doing right now. We are trading higher, which is, you know, what we don't want to see. I take here, he takes. Okay, I'm down to trade that. So I'm up 2 pawns. Let's go here. Yeah, here is probably the best option. And I want to develop my king on the white squares, because this bishop is a dark square bishop. So let's develop here. Develop. Okay, so if he takes, I take. That's cool. What?
The only hope is to get up on all the way up.
Yep.
He takes all the pawns and yeah.
So there's that. There's a 15-minute closure. We're about to close in 30 seconds. And I do anticipate for us to retrace into this 15-minute FEG. I want to see prices respect this 15-minute fair value gap, because that will give me the idea that we are going to continue lower here. So I want to see us take out this 15-minute fair value gap, tap into that 15-minute fair value gap to continue lower. But if we don't, then we can do something like this and trade higher, have SMT, and then continue lower. But it's a lot of if-then statements. So there's a 10 o'clock open. I want to see us trade inside that 15-minute fair value gap and create a bearish closure. And notice how we close below this fair value gap, these 30 minutes fair value gaps here. On the 8-hour time frame, I am anticipating for us to take out this 8-hour low. So the 8-hour low is actually London lows, so, or pre-market lows. So pre-market lows is my draw for the time being right now. And like I said, previous day low is my draw as well, continuing too. So let's see what we do from there. If I move here, he takes, I take. Yeah, that's a solid move. So I want to see us displace. It's the same concept about what was occurring yesterday. I want to see us retrace into here and displace away from this 15-minute fair value gap. That's what I want to see. I want to see displacement away from this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm not going to take any entries because I like waiting for candle closures, and that's just part of my trade plan. Oh shoot, I'm running out of time here, actually, huh? Oh wait, why did I do that? That was actually a huge blunder. I'm running out of time though. I can take this and this. Now here. But if he goes here, then I can't take. Okay. So let's just pawn walk here.
Trying to get one of your pawns.
Yeah, I gotta keep track of what the market's doing in chess. This is kind of difficult, but I like thinking, so we're good. I'm up 4 pawns right now, so.
Wait, is there
Good.
a bar to see what's happening?
Huh?
Is there a bar?
I don't know. Oh no, there's not a bar to see who's winning. That would be kind of OP. He's probably gonna take this pawn with that diagonal.
Yeah, I saw that.
I need to have my king in this square actually. Move my queen.
I realized something.
What?
He isn't going for your pawn.
He can go here and then I have to switch back.
You're winning really good right now.
Yeah, but I'm running low on time.
I think it's because you're looking at that. You're not checking about what he's doing.
Yeah, I know. I am. Okay, so there's SMT on. Let's just see what happens. Like I said, prices are retracing inside this fair value gap here. I don't really care about what.
I think he moved.
Did he? No, he didn't. I hear something. I'll hear something up here whenever he moves. So I'm gonna mark out the 10 o'clock open here. So notice how on this 15-minute candle close, right? We have a higher time frame telling us that we're gonna go lower, but based on this 15-minute candle here, I can anticipate for us to retrace. So I'm not gonna be, targeting this low while because I'm not going to be taking this because I know we're going to retrace. So I want to see us, displace lower. So if this guy goes here, then I move my bishop back, and then yeah, I'll see what we do from there. Or if he goes here, I can go here, but then I still need to be able to develop my pieces. Oh, if he goes here, then I go here. Genius. And then I can slide my queen here. Or not queen, but king.
If you go all the way up, then he is in check. And then you can move your pawn up again.
Yeah, I can't, but how am I going to put him in check? I can't move here.
No, you move there.
This one?
No, that one can go all the way up if you move there.
Which one? This one?
That
This
pawn
one?
can go all the way up and then
Oh.
check.
Oh, you're smart. That's right. But I literally, I knew that I shouldn't have, because that bishop, well, it's resigned. It's okay.
Wait, you still won though.
No, the reason why I knew I shouldn't have moved, give him in check is because I needed to move my pawn here to protect my bishop. But it's okay. It's coolio.
Oh.
Yeah, because then nothing's protecting this bishop right now. That's why I can't give him a check, because all he has to do is take my bishop.
Yeah, but if he goes down again and still then you can move it 2 times.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna move here. If I just
If you do that, you can get a queen. And you'll be winning again.
yeah here. Wait, hold on. Here, and then I just run away.
Yep, that's what you should do. Run away to get a queen.
Yeah. Oh, I could have done that actually, huh? Because if I go here, then I can run away with my pawns. Oh, I could have done that, huh, Peter?
Yeah. You can lose.
I resigned. I gave up. That's not my ninja way. But I had very little. I had only 20 seconds left, so Yeah, I did. Go đi răng computer. Someone said you little is smart. Your little bro smart. I think that's what he meant. Alright, go đi răng.
How did he know that?
He heard your voice. Welcome in, John Bones. Welcome in, John Bones. Yeah, he's probably wondering why I'm not looking at their charts right now. Dagan, can you explain to him, just so I can see where you're at in your... Can you explain to him why I wasn't taking it apart in any trades there? Just so I can see if you're, you know, actually paying attention or not. I just want to see if you caught what I said there. After you say something to him or like explain to him, then I'll give him my reasoning.
Did you think about that? If you got one of the pawns up, you could have guided the other pawn up as well.
I know.
Get two queens.
That's why I was still winning actually, but yeah. It could have been a sack. That could have been a bishop sack actually. Jeez, that could have been a bishop sack. Maybe, I don't know, you haven't mentioned anything yet on the live stream yet, Dagim. So, John Bones, let me give you what I have in mind right now. So, here we are in kind of like a consolidation. We have pre-market low is what I am targeting here, but is prices going there right now? No. I'm waiting to see if I can get a bearish candle closure on the 15-minute time frame, and then I'm gonna go into the 1-minute time frame to, you know, really zoom in and get an really precise entry. I want to get precise entries just so I can mitigate risk, because like right now I know on the higher time frames we're going to we're drawing lower. Like the higher time frame draw is lower, so that's my bias right now. But currently on the lower time frames we aren't as bearish. We aren't bearish yet, so the lower time frames aren't aligned with the higher time frames, which is why playing chess right now and just waiting, because I like waiting for candle closures. So just currently right now I'm just spectating prices and letting the markets do its thing. But yeah, there's that for today. Like I said, I'm still waiting for candle closures. It may look like consolidation right now, but like I said, if we can see respect, if I see us respect this 15-minute fair value gap and we displace lower, like I said, displace lower from this 15-minute fair value gap, then I'll take an entry. But let's say we close above this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Then that means we're gonna have a deeper retrace on the higher time frame. I don't know how to word this correctly, but the lower time frames will show when and where when prices will go towards its higher time frame objective, and when higher time frames will shift in market structure. I don't know how to explain it, but it shows you when. Got it. I saw your message. I'm starting to actually look at the messages, because usually there's not really anybody on the live stream, so I'm just talking to myself. But you know, I got two people on here this time. You know, John and Dagim. I'm just gonna call you Day, so it can be a little bit easier. John and Day. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Day. What is this? LR LR, low resistance liquidity run, is that what that means? Order block, fair value gap at OTE, entry on the 5-minute time frame. This nice, broski. Dude, awesome trade actually. I said awesome. Awesome. This is gold, right? Yeah, this is gold. Never traded gold before, but I have a friend that trades at the 10 o'clock, so I do want to see what his if he took a an entry there or not, because from his perspective, I'm just wondering what he would have done there. Maybe he picked up a thing or two from the live stream. If he's watching, I'm not too sure if he's watching or not. No problem. No problem. I'm assuming you said no problem to calling you Day. Whoopsies. Okay. Like I said, I would still like to just wait here. There's not really much to enter off of right now. Yeah, it's like I said, we are still I want to see us create that bearish power of 3. I want to see displacement away from this 15-minute fair value gap and consider taking any trades, but for right now I'll be, like I said, tape reading and just sitting on the sidelines. This is crazy, not gonna lie. Let's see what he took. I love it when I see executions, man. He got, it looks like he right at 9:30. That's not a bad entry actually. I would have had my stop loss if I was taking that. I would have had my stop loss at this 1 minute low, or I'm sorry, 1 minute high. But let's see if there's a 2. Let's see if there's a 3. I feel like that could have been a 3 minute. No, 2. Is it a 2 minute possibly? No, 2 minute. Oh, fuck. Maybe that one got rebalanced super quick. Okay, that one I might have gotten rebalanced really quick. But yeah, that looks pretty solid, bro. I'm not gonna. That's a pretty solid trade to attack that 15-minute low. retrace it to this 30-minute FEG. What's the opening price here? This is the 9 o'clock opening price. So look, okay, whoa. Is anybody? No, there's people watching, right? Oh, okay. Dagim John, take a look at what this dude's trade was. This one is actually good, but like I said, I don't trade the first 30 minutes, so I don't even take a look at what happened. But this actually is a good solid trade. It's just at the 9:30 open, I'm not taking anything there. But notice how essentially he's targeting that these lows here. So he's targeting, I'm assuming he, what is that, 2072. Okay, so he's targeting these lows right here. Targeting this low. Oh, whoops. He's targeting that low. But okay, so this one, how I would have viewed this as is, there's this 15-minute low, right? So just purely based on this 15-minute candle right here, this isn't like an entry pattern. This is just confluence. Based on this 15-minute candle, we can anticipate for this 15-minute candle low to be taken, right? And let's look at what the 15-minute. So this appears to be also the 30-minute objective as well. It looks like we are going to rebalance at least into this 30-minute FEG here. That's what it's that's what this 30-minute is showing here, and this is what this 15-minute showing is here. So just based on this 30-minute power of 3 and this 15-minute power of 3. When I say power of 3, I'm saying just take a look at this candle. What can we anticipate from this 30-minute here? What's this next 30-minute candle gonna look like? We can anticipate a open high and at least a low into this 30-minute FEG. So we can at least target this 30-minute low right here, or this 30-minute FEG's high. So there's time frame alignment. This 30-minute FEG or this 30-minute power of 3 is aligned with this 15-minute power of 3. And on the lower time frames, on the 1 minute time frame, there's this fair value gap here that you could have entered off of to attack to attack that 30-minute and 15-minute low, which is right here. Let me note that out. So So essentially, you can take your TP or your entry somewhere like this. Have it a 1-to-1. So you're targeting that 15-minute and 30-minute low, right? Because you expect prices to rebalance that FEG. So that could be an entry, and the reason why you're entering at the 9 o'clock open is because you want to be selling above the open. And notice how prices wicks above that 9 o'clock open. That's a trade that's pretty good. I say that's an A+ trade. It's just there's no 2-minute FEG. It's just purely based off of a 1-minute FEG in the open, which is not a bad trade. I'll give this like an AP+. Alright, so we are seeing some sort of, move lower here. Like I said, I want to wait for the 15-minute closure, so we have 8 minutes left here on the closure. So let's just see what we do from there. Let me point out the SMT that I'm noticing. So on ES, we took out this high, but NQ we didn't. So there's SMT between this high and this high. Notice that little trend line that I marked out just now. So there's SMT there. So this is why I wait for candle closures. So like I said, would I like to wait for this 15-minute candles closure here to see if I'm going to take any trades to target previous day low or not. But like I said, still continue to watch prices. Previous pre-market low would be a lower hanging fruit, but on the higher time frame, previous day low is the lower hanging fruit. But like I said, today could be consolidation for us to retrace back inside this daily FEG. But it all depends on if we continue lower from this 4-hour fair value gap. If we do. Here it came. What do you look for? What am I looking for? Whoa, that's so cool. I can see, what the heck, why is that activity shot not showing up? Interesting. Let's see what, okay, so YM is trading completely out of sync with NQ and ES, because I want to see lower prices on NQ, right? But look at where YM is. Let's take a look at what the dollar is doing as well. I do believe that we were going lower on dollar. Or are we going, oh, never mind, I'm sorry, we're going higher on dollar right now. So we should be seeing lower prices on the indices. But anything could happen. So we should really respect this 6-hour FEG here if we are to trade lower. But if we don't, then that's cool as well. That's what's occurring on NQ right now. Or I'm sorry, the dollar. Now this is what's happening on NQ. Oh, hey, he got the first. He got his first payout. Wow, congrats. Congrats to my boy. So let's see if we have displacement away here now. On the 2 minute, 3 minutes. Is there a 2 minute FAG? No. Alright, so we're about to close here, and actually in about wow, the spacing between these candles here aren't that wide. I don't like that. Let's see if I can change that. Oh, whoa. So there's that bearishness that I like to see here. We are about to close in about 20 seconds. So let's switch over to M and Q. Let's see, what do we have on 1 minute that we can enter off of to target these lows here. 3 minute, nope. So I want to see us. Okay, so we just took out that 15-minute low. So now there's, like I said, there's no entry there for me. But let's see if we can take out hourly low here. So this is actually the 4 hour here. So I want to see us. Let's see if we can take out this low. Like I said, there was no entry for me, so I wasn't gonna take that. Wait, what the heck? Oops. No entry. But like I said, I wanted to see us respect that FEG, and we did. So now we should really be seeing expansion towards previous day low and previous market low. It's just a matter of time and if there's going to be any setups for that. So there's that pre-market low that I was looking for, and now we should see a draw towards previous day low. The reason being is, like I said, on the higher time frame, this is the draw. I want to mark out what midnight opening was. Midnight opening was here. So there is that. We took that there. So now we should be, like I said, we should be expanding towards the previous day low now. Kind of sucks that, like I said, prices didn't give us that entry, but we still have time. I hope I don't get copyrighted, because I mean, I really like this music, but if this is non-copyright, then alright, if this gets copyrighted, I'll be quite sad. So there's previous day low. It appears that we are about to take it. Let's get on that right now. For right now, so there's, like I said, there was SMT here between ES and NQ. At these highs here. So let's see what we do close, how we close here on this 15-minute candle. So once we take out previous day low, which is my daily objective, my weekly objective now would be to take out July 2nd's low and July 1st's low. Here, just purely based on this 5-minute, it looks like we probably will take out previous day low without getting an entry. Yeah, we probably will take out. Oh, look, we're about to take it, and we just took it. Okay, so time to reassess here. So like I said, previous day low, guys, is now taken. I want to see us take out July 2nd's low and July 1st's low. We can set up standard deviations here just so we can see projections. So let's take standard deviations here. ST projections, nice. So this negative. Okay, so there is -2 standard deviation, so we can anticipate retracement there. I have my standard deviation set up like that.
Check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995.
So there's July 2nd's low here.
Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was getting $10 million.
See if we can get some sort of a retracement. We do have a closure in about shoot, I'm blanking 9 minutes. We have closures in about 9 minutes, so let's see what we do from there. Will we get an entry is the question. So here we already completed our what happened to my, so like I said, we completed our daily objective, but I'm still anticipating lower prices. So like I said, July 1st is low, July 2nd and July 1st low is my draw. It's a matter of if we get an entry or not. ES has yet to take out previous day low, which is its daily objective. So YM is now starting to trade lower, which is good. Like I said, because I do want to see lower prices on YM to see us go lower on ES and NQ. Whoa, Cam, thank you for joining and typing in the group chat. Yeah, New Day and ORG. I'm assuming ORG is the new week opening gap and new day opening gap. RTH, are you talking about RTH? Yeah, we do have this RTH now, which is good. We filled it in, which is like I said, to be expected because we are bearish. So RTH gap is a could be anticipated to be filled in. But let's see, we have about like 5 minutes left for the for this 15-minute candle closure. And like I said, if I were to take this trade, okay, so ES just took out this previous day low, which is good. Like I said, I want to see us take out, continue lower on NQ2, so we should be able to take out July 12th low on ES. So note that level. There we go, we're about to take that out. No entry pattern for me, however. So see, some people could have taken this entry here at the 2-minute FEG to target July 2nd's low. It's just that's not part of my entry model. So we could see now, like I said, I want to see us probably tap into this July 1st low again. First low. So now, if you look on the higher time frame, can you guys see what this looks like to you? What does this look like? Looks like a market maker sell model, right? Here we have the original consolidation, smart money reversal with SMT, low risk buy, and this is probably going to be the second stage distribution. Kind of sucks that we weren't able to get an entry though. That really, that pains me. Yeah, the RTH is, yeah, the RTH gap, like you said, Yokem, yeah, like I like looking at that whenever we are in a classic, like I said, a sell day, about that RTH gap, if we gapped up, that gap should be filled in. That's when prices should fill in gaps, by the way, if we are in, like I said, in overall narrative that we are in bearishness. And like I said, I anticipated for previous day low to be taken out. Let's see if I had that in the group chat. I was able to point that out. Yeah. So here's the closure in about 1 minute. Let's see if we can. Yeah, there's not really an entry here. I guess there is this 3-minute entry, but let's see if we can even get into it, retrace back into it. So let's have my charts open, just in case we do get a retrace inside that 3-minute FEG. So if we don't get a 3-minute FEG here, I probably won't enter it. So there's that the opening now at 10:45. Sorry. How would I define my risk if I were to take that entry just now? $40-point stop loss. Am I willing to take that risk? It would probably would have looked something like this right here. Yeah, something like that. And to target that 15-minute low. So 480 is my stop loss, right? 10, 9. So let's even get a retrace into that. And like I said, all I'm targeting is this 15-minute low here. It looks like we might not even get a retrace back inside that 3-minute FEG because we already had that. But let's see. If we can get a retrace into it, then that would be cool. Bro, are you from USA or around Asia? The moment of truth. No, I currently live in the United States, but I'm from Vietnam, so I am Asian descent. So let's even get a retrace into here. Because like I said, if we just base this trade off of the 15-minute power of 3, what can we anticipate for this 15-minute low to be taken, correct? But let's even get that entry. And that's on that 1-minute FEG. So let's even get this entry here. Okay. Interesting. That was about like not even a tick away. Not even a point. Yeah. How did you? I mean, you probably like the name. Yeah, you probably think that's how you would have guessed how I'm from Asia. It's interesting that you noted that though. So we just got tagged. The thing is, I should have seen us take out that previous this low already, but yeah, I'll just stick to my trade plan and watch here. I would take up. I want to de-risk myself though, because I don't like how we. Yeah, I don't like how we had to come back twice. Because we should have taken it out the first time, so I'm gonna take off. I'll just take off 5 just so I can de-risk myself, because I don't like how we had to come back into that FEG again. Because now, like, this fair value gap that we're creating on this 15-minute fair value gap looks like we are probably going to create a 15-minute fair value gap and retrace into it. Yeah, that's sucks. It's cool. Yeah, that's, I guess, I don't know how much that is. I don't want to show you guys the P&L because that's not what I'm worried about. I am worried about the text and Q. Okay, let's re-evaluate here. So let's see if we can create this 15-minute fair value gap, because now I'm thinking we're probably going to retrace into a 15-minute fair value gap. If we can create the 15-minute fair value gap. I am also Asian though. What type of Asian are you? Or where from Asia are you from? Or what part of Asia are you from? Yeah, that's what I meant. Oh, the moment of truth. Yeah, this 10-minute fair value, this 10-minute closure too also is the one that was also skeptical. So this is quite interesting. We're seeing a deeper retrace on NQ. And I don't like how this is actually trading right now. Yeah, I don't like how this is this 15-minute candle's closing. This could have been seen as a a market structure, not a market structure, more like a sweep of sell side. We leave July 1st low hanging and we can reverse. But like I said, we'll see. Let's see where we are from here, because that means we can probably anticipate that we are going to retrace into this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I hate Philippines. So what? Bro's racist. I'm just kidding. Day is from. Day, you're from Japan? Oh wait. Why'd you say Japan? 5 is also good though. 5 CB. Yeah, yeah. But like I said, I didn't. This. It's just the way I was anticipating prices. I didn't anticipate for prices to trade it up into here. I wanted to see us take this low first before retracing, but yeah, on the lower time frames it would have shown us more clarity. But yeah, let's see what we do there. See what the RTH gap. So let's see if we can tap this RTH gap low and continue lower. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm in United. Okay. Yeah, Philippines suck. Oh, are you talking about the rules? Yeah, I mean I'm not really from I'm not really familiar with rules in from like other countries, but I mean I would assume that maybe they are a little bit stricter on where you can trade and what type of position size. John, you're from UK. What part of UK? Is UK like? I'm sorry, I'm not really a geography dude, but are you from England. And they Japan. No, I'm Vietnamese. I'm Vietnamese. See, so like you see what I'm here Yokam. Thing, is there a way I can I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Yokam. Yeah, I would have probably preferred if I waited until we retrace inside a 15-minute fair value gap and then see how we react there, because it's just that this move right here is pretty large. And now look, we can anticipate. What can we anticipate now? If we do create a 15-minute busy, what can we anticipate for us to retrace inside that 15-minute fair value gap, right? So if we can anticipate that rebalance of this fair value gap, that means we can go long into this 15-minute fair value gap and take off, partials there. That's probably what I'm gonna look at next here, is a long to target the 15-minute busy, or not 15-minute busy, 15-minute SIBI, if we create the 15-minute SIBI. If not, then that's even more confluence that we're gonna trade lower. Higher. 50 miles north of London, England. Okay. What time is it for you right now in England? Yeah. I am Vietnamese. I am indeed. So there's that one loss from today's stream. I think I would have probably taken the stream or the trade like every other time, to be honest too. Yeah, I was actually able to mitigate my risk as well. Like I said, it's a 1-to-1 RR, and I didn't take the full loss because I don't like how we retraced into it for a second time, which is something I should have noted. I need to note that whenever I do the recap for today. No, but it's good to see, members join the stream though. It's good to hear, good to have people to talk to. Well, you guys didn't see that. I don't know why it just popped up. Hold on. Let me log in again. 4 p.m. Wow. Okay, that's so market opens for you guys around like 3, huh? Dang it, I wish you guys were here for yesterday's stream, because yesterday's stream was a banger. I actually was able to call out pretty well. I'm sorry. First time I have people on the stream and you guys have to witness a loss. It's okay. It's cool. I have to just, like I said, one of the things I have to be working on, improvement for this week, is to be content with the outcome. And oh shoot, you're from you're in Ethiopia right now, Day. Okay. 4 p.m. to here. Wow. Yeah, okay, so we're sorry, let me pay attention to more on the charts here. So let's consider where we opened on 10. So we had 10 opening clock. 10 opening at right here. So this is the micros. So which is why I don't have all the markings up. There's that. And like I said, I want to see if we can get a bullish closure and see if we can target this 15-minute high here. So we have a minute left on this 15-minute closure. Now it's just up to me if I can. Ooh, I don't like how we are trading like that. I do not like. I want to see us price higher now. In this last 30 seconds, I want to see us price higher. Yeah, yesterday was a good PA on London. London session. Yeah, dude. Coming into that yesterday morning here was insane because I did not anticipate this move to happen on London session. It was such a massive move down that I did not anticipate that at all. So there's the 15-minute closure now. Like I said, from here we can anticipate if we can, let's say we are anticipating for us to rebalance this 15-minute fair value gap, right? That means we would have entered on the 5-minute fair value gap here. Stop loss here to target that 15-minute high. Am I willing to risk that? This here, let's see what structure looks like on the 1 minute. To rebalance this 15-minute fair value gap. Am I willing to risk this setup? I think I might just learn from a lesson, and I want to see us react. I just want to see us react, to be honest, from a key level first. There's not really a key level that we are reacting from here. I mean, I guess you can say that we reacted away from this, weekly fair value, weekly FEG. So, taking that entry there would have been, it's fine. It's just like I said, our jobs as traders is to define risk and if you're willing to take it or not. And here, like I had the setup, it's just, am I willing to take it to see if it can target the rebalance? Probably not. I'm probably not going to take this, even if it does pan out. It's just something that, like I said, I decided not to do it because that's just my decision as a trader. So let's see what happens. And let's just say you did take this. Your stop loss would be moved to break even after we take out this 15-minute high. And your terminus would probably be the, here. That would be terminus. Let's see. Don't, bro. Yeah, too impulsive. I'm already anticipating for it. M3 CSD. Changing it. What are you? Let me see what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't. It's too impulsive. Like, yeah, you're right. Yeah, like I said, I had to just really, really tone in and be in touch with, what's within right now. 3-minute CISD. Are you talking about this candle right here? I don't really use order blocks in my analysis or like as entry patterns, but are you talking about this CISD? This one? So like I said, it's up to you if you wanted to define your risk here and take that trade. I personally wouldn't have taken this just because like higher time frame, I want to see us take out this low here, and if we can get a reaction to this 15-minute fair value gap, then maybe I'll take a trade. But as of right now, nothing shall be taken. Yeah, okay, I don't know what CISD you're talking about if it's not this one, because I don't I don't really use changing state of delivery, or not changing state. Yeah, changing the state of delivery. My old self would have taken an entry at this equilibrium of this range here. But yeah, that's that is my old self. That's how I would have been. I want to see how we react here, so I just be patient and let's mark out. Let's mark out that 15-minute CB. Oops. There you go. There's that 15-minute CB. Whoops! I did not fart. That was me sliding my arm against the table. I use that two candles. Oh, the okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with the change in state delivery. It's kind of unfamiliar. I don't use it often. I prefer using fit value gaps. That's just my PD array of choice. Hey, you guys, yo cams, right? This stream is benefiting me and you guys. I like this. I like how there's like, you know, it's not. I like it's a two-way right now. This is good. I like this a lot. Can I ask how long have you guys been trading for? Day, Yokams, and John. And if you guys have any suggestions for like to increase the stream, you know, I know I've watched the stream before, like on the YouTube videos, and it is a little bit like laggy. I apologize for that. It's kind of out of my control. But I don't have any recommendations. Please type them down. Two years? Okay. Since 2021, so that's about like 3 years. Okay. And Dave, what about you? Two weeks ago. Wow. So okay, so we have you know, almost veterans, and I'm literally beginner. Okay, yeah, okay. I would be confident and cocky and be like, yeah, you're in good hands. But like I said, everybody here, we're all still, you know, like I said, I'm still learning. So yeah, if you have any questions, man, just type them down in the chat or even in this Discord. I created this voice channel. I never used it yet, and I just created this Discord too. So yeah, if you have any questions, just type them down in the group chat or in the Discord, or if you want to hop on call later, I'll hop on call with you, and we can talk about you can talk about whatever you need help on. But yeah. And this is just like this right now. Whatever you're watching in front of your screen, like if you're watching charts or my charts, just use it as good like tape reading experience. It's pretty good to have. It's pretty good to tape read, because it. Are you trying to show off? No. Are you trying? No, I'm not. I am. That is the complete opposite of what I am. That's not what I'm trying to give off. I just want to be a helpful person. I don't want to seem no. That's the complete opposite of my personality trait. Bro, I'm kidding. Oh man, this guy. You're funny. This guy's you got jokes, man. You got me like, bro. It's got me questioning my freaking. Bro got me questioning myself too. Wow. No, but yes. Hey, if you have any questions, man, I literally created this Discord just so we can all learn and grow together. Oh, I forgot. Let's choose a quote of the day. I forgot to do that. Motivational quotes. Motivational quotes. All right, I'll let you guys choose what quote for today. What's the quote for today? Here, type in. Should we use hard work, fear, failure, attitude, positive thinking, imagination, courage, fun, or dreams? Choose whichever one you guys think is the best, and yeah, and I'll type them down in the Discord. Which one would you guys choose here? Shorting on M1. Okay. Let's see. So, like I said, which quote should I choose here? Everything you've ever wanted is sitting on it. I gotta go back to the charts after this though. If I don't see a response in like 10 seconds, I'm gonna just choose one myself because I want to go back to the charts. Fun. People rarely succeed unless they find what they are doing. Embrace a pain. Embrace a pain. Embrace a pain. Embrace it. Okay, I'll do this one just cause Joachim said first. Embrace the pain. I don't see that one, so yeah, I don't see that one. All right. Thank you guys so much for like I said, even hopping onto the channel today. It's good to see people actually on the stream. Okay, so let's look at what this 15-minute candle is looking like. If we close here, what can we anticipate on this 15-minute candle? So I'm going to apply the same logic as I did before. So like I said, this 15-minute fair value gap here appears to be a breakaway gap. So let me just mark that out as breakaway gap. Here's the 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock open. We still have like 3 minutes left, 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the 15-minute closure, so I'll wait until then. There's the open. Yeah, no, you guys. Yeah. Today you got, yeah, no, I you know, I mean it a lot, you guys. I appreciate that you guys actually joined today. It means a lot to see, you know, new faces, or the very first faces actually, today. It's good to see that. I really do appreciate that a lot. Okay, price yeah, this no, it's cool. Like price hasn't left yet because we still have that higher time frame objective. Like I said, if you miss your entry here, you can always frame another one here. But I don't know what your model is, so I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna, you know, say too much because I'm not too sure what your model is. But here on this 15-minute candle here, like if I apply the same thought process of, like, I anticipate here on this 15-minute candle for us to take out this 15-minute candle's low, but we had a deeper retracement, and we actually respected the equilibrium of this range, this dealing range here, and we repriced lower, and we didn't even rebalance this 15-minute fair value gap, but we did actually tap back inside the low end of this RTH gap, which is good. I really like seeing that we filled it in and we treated it as resistance, so that's good. That 5-minute entry here, that would have been bad. Like I said, the overall narrative is that today was bullish, and just taking that entry, good note that I didn't take that there. Yeah, it is indeed a part of the game. But here we're about to close in the 15-minute here, so let's see. Like I said, if prices can give us an entry to target that 15-minute low, that would be cool. If it doesn't, then that's cool as well. But July 1st is the target now for me, is that draw. That is the draw liquidity, and after July 1st is low, well, if we take out July 1st is low, right, the next draw would be this swing low right here, June 24th, and that is going to be basically the completion of the market maker sell model. You know, original consolidation, you know, accumulation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, and then there's that low risk buy, and then there's that distribution phase now. So second, this is, I would say this is the last stage of second stage distribution, which is usually the last stage. So let's actually, I'm gonna mark out that low, because after we take out July 1st is low, we should target June 24th low, or June 25th low, sorry. So 6, and that is on, there we go. So I'm gonna put a little plus sign next to it, indicating that it's the magnet. It's like a magnet. And we just took out that 15-minute low. So let's see what we do in the next 15-minute. I am tired. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm exhausted. I've been awake since 4 a.m. right now. So I went to go thrifting, so I am pretty tired. This six hour candle too, I really like how we are trading here, because that means we can anticipate this next 6 hour low to be taken, because I mean it's in confluence with the higher time frame draw. So this power of 3 is in confluence with the higher time frame draw, which is good. But now the question is if we can get some sort of entry to target that, and it looks like we might not get that entry. So ES actually is basically at its previous week's low. So ES does have room to go trade lower, and NQ does as well. Bro, I wake up at 3 a.m. every day. 3 a.m. Oh my goodness, 3 a.m. is crazy. Wow. Dude, that's very impressive day. How much sleep do you usually get per day then? Oh wait, I forgot to do the motivational quotes. Bro, I'm actually trolling. Seven hours? Oh, wait, what? Damn, that means you go sleep pretty early then, huh? That's good. Yeah, no, I went to sleep at like 12:30 yesterday, and then I didn't get up till, I'm sorry, I mean I had to get up at 4, so I only had like almost like 4 hours of sleep. And my body does not function well with 4 hours of sleep. I don't know. That's just how I function. It's no good. No good. 4 hours of sleep is no good for me. Oh, shall I go over the trade from yesterday? Okay, so let me go over the trade from 2 p.m. So July, dang, I really need to concentrate here to take. So. I will probably close the stream if we can if we take out July 1st low without having an entry. If we close it, if we do take it out, I'll probably just close the stream here. I've been on stream for a little while, a little over 2 hours now, so it's 5 a.m. Oh, that's good. 5 a.m. gym. That's what's up, man. Yeah, I try to gym daily as well. Gymming is, I think that's probably my first ever encounter with the idea of discipline, because at first I actually didn't want to go to the gym when I first got introduced, because I didn't want to look like a box. I didn't want to be stiff, but like, man, going to the gym does it really does keep you disciplined. Because like you won't see any results if you don't actually put it in and put in the work. And I admire anybody that goes to the gym, because I understand how hard it is to put in that work to begin with. $42. Dang, this is a lot. Wow, look at that range from today. Yeah, that's. Dude, that's right. taking care of your health is the number one. That's very important. So, like I said before, if we do take out this July 1st low without giving me or providing an entry, then I'll probably close this, turn off the stream for today. It was, I would give it a pretty good solid stream. I like it. I enjoyed it. Very good session, I say. We had the idea, the right idea in my head. It's just, you know, sometimes, it's just not gonna give it to you. Yeah. You have the right bias. Like, that sucks sometimes. You have the bias, but you just can't seem to get that entry. Which is not cool. Got that, yeah. Oh, you sent me a friend request. Let me send you that let me send you the chest link. Day, is that cool? Or is Oh wait, you retracted, you took, oh, you got rid of the message? We're relatively close to this draw now. I do want to see how much points did we just move from yesterday. Jeez. That move yesterday, we moved a ton of points. Wow, we moved 600 and almost 50 points yesterday. That's crazy. Now that's price movement right there. That's insane. Yeah, no setup. And I do believe that, so just based on this 15-minute candle closure again, if we base our trade off of, or just tape read, we can anticipate this 15-minute fair value gap to be a breakaway gap. So with this next 15-minute candle, I do anticipate for us to open high and then take out the July 1st low before retracing. So I don't anticipate for us to retrace and then take out the low. I anticipate for us to open and then take out the low first. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh shoot. Did I? You're good, the game. I don't think anybody's gonna see your thing. Friends, how do I? Oh man, you better not be like super good. Oh, are you this one? Maybe you're this one. I'll send both. There is that next 15. So like I said, we are gonna take out that low, and now we just took out July 1st low. So I'll leave it like that. There's the breakaway gap. Where you about to go, boy? Really? Alright, bye Peter. Bye Kim. Alright, so wait, did you? Oh nice. Okay, hey the game or day, I'm gonna end the stream. We can play our chess match like after I end the stream here, but I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll be on here tomorrow as well. You guys better be on here tomorrow to watch, or else I don't know what else I don't know what I'm gonna do.